Clearborough, North Dallas, 23 Tesla Model Y, full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus, and that's all we did. Oh no, we did tint this with the XR Plus, the highest heat rejection film available by Xpel, up to 98% IR rejection, 99% UV A and B, and we did full sides all on 30, and then windshield in 70. And the moonroof. Moonroof was done 20, but that's not going to be able to do us any good up here because it's already got a privacy glass that's not rated for anything, but now it has IR and UV for heat and UV. So let's take a look at what we did here with this full wrap, like we always do. Removing our T and making sure that it goes back over the paint protection film rather than cutting a kit where it would be a big line around it. We don't do that. Everything's custom. All our edges are fully wrapped, so we don't have any edges here. No edges means the film will not be compromised as if there was an edge on top from mostly wiping it with towels and all the weather that comes through here from snow, rain, whatever, heat. That edge is underneath every panel, under the fender, under the hood, under this fender. We don't run a line around the headlight. Everything goes underneath. And in the bumper, all the layers, the top and the middle, bottom, are all wrapped around. Our tow hook fully wrapped, and the hole fully wrapped. We don't leave a line around that either, nor the fog lights. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, cameras fully wrapped in. Doors, A-pillars where they meet the fender, both are wrapped in. Mirror fully wrapped around the backside, no line on top. And our A-pillars fully wrapped in under this molding. So far everything's wrapped in, no lines. Door handles fully wrapped. Under this belt molding for the window, fully wrapped in, no line. And so on and so on and so on. Our charging door, whatever, fully wrapped around. This here quarter panel and the deck lid here for the rear door, fully wrapped in. This T for Tesla obviously comes off as well and goes back on, so there's no lines. Plate comes off, PPF all the way through. And again, back here, fully wrapped, no lines, and much more the same on this side. So keep in mind, if there is a panel on a car, I don't care if it's Tesla, Porsche, whoever, if the panels are too tight, keep in mind, if they're too tight, we can't put two sides of film, sometimes not even one. So obviously the answer is we're going to get as tight as we can here. We're not going to leave a big gap. I say that because I had a client who thinks that these cars are built perfect. It wasn't a Tesla. I'm not going to mention the car, but there's no car that's built perfect. Hate to tell you that, but if you think that, great. Every day is a new day for you. Nevertheless, cars aren't perfect. When aftermarket items go on these cars, the manufacturer does not care about window tint, PPF, bumper hitch, tow hitch, running boards. The guys that make all that stuff, they need to figure it out. So along with your car, you get a warranty because it's not built perfect. Remember that. So what I'm telling you is, when I say I wrap all the edges, if we run into a problem because of manufacturing is not correct and the gaps are too tight, we don't take your car apart. We do it as tight as we can, and there's nothing wrong with that. So food for thought. Take it or leave it. I really don't care. There you go. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. If you need anything, you want to challenge me on that question, feel free. I love to debate. I love confrontation. Or you can call me direct. My personal number, 940-703-8301. I'd like to chat with you. Always look forward to that. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.